I'm doing something really simple today. I want to make a light, a lamp that will turn on whenever my computer is turned on at my bed. So I have some light to type. This is just 2 watts, less than 2 watts actually, and it works off 12 volts. So I connect it to the power supply, and whenever it comes out of sleep or standby, this will light on. No switches needed, just some risk because I will have to take 12 volts out of the power supply, out of the computer's case. So if I short it out, that could be a bad day. So after I'm done soldering, I will have to seriously insulate all these things here so I won't make a short. Yeah, that's a no-no. Manufacturers don't want you taking 12 volts out of the computer case. Even if the power supply has protection, you could ruin other components, so it's not a good idea. Yeah. Don't ask me how I know. I certainly haven't done anything wrong before. No, no. I always followed the rules and didn't short out the whole computer and fry everything. I didn't do that. So, yeah. This takes 12 volt AC, so it doesn't matter which one's the positive, which one's the negative. Here it matters. This is from an ID cable, power plug, whatever. This is the positive, and the one of the middle ones is the negative. We'll have to solder the wires to these, and that's about it. Let's see. Can these can these be soldered? Let's see. Nope. That's too bad. Then I'll have to use some paste. First clean off the tip. Let's use some of these tools like that. Takes some of this like that, and let's see if I can do it now. Am I being stupid here? Should I really be able to solder any metal with this? Uh, yeah, if it doesn't work, I'll use another solution. Yep, and it doesn't work. I mean, yeah, it's not staying on. Oh boy. Then what can I use? Just twist the... That's what I'll do. I'll just twist the wire on it. Oh well. That's all for professionalism. Let's clean the tip again. I just fried the solder. Yeah. So that's too bad. I didn't check before. How did I connect these? I used one of these light bulbs before. Oh, it's on the outside and I used the... Yeah, I used a different technique. Oh, so yeah, that's a fail. So let's see the if I can solder at least the plug, the power plug. Come on, get in. Like that. And let's try soldering it. Oopsie. That was a sound from the USB. Oh boy, from the computer. I don't know why this soldering iron. This messes with the cables. I don't know what it does exactly. It's some electromagnetic interference, probably. It's not good. So one of the devices just went doo doo. Yeah, that's bad. I need to find another soldering iron soon. But I hate those that take time to heat up. I don't like using those for quick jobs when I just need to make 2 solders and that's it. I wait for 5 minutes for it to heat up and then 10 minutes to cool down. Yeah. I need to find a good solution for that. This must be torture for the computer. Yeah, this is almost done. I need a bit more solder there, I think. Yeah. Again with the USB. What the hell is wrong with it? The mouse is working, keyboard's working. What else is there? Oh, I have the microphone plugged in. Let's take out the microphone then. Okay, whatever. So these are soldered, I think. Now I need to pop out the pins so it can snap in. I usually push this in when I take out the interior of the plug. The, what do you call this? The pins. Pin. Let's call this a pin, and the tabs are on the sides of the pin. So you see, these now can go into the hole and not come out again. Oh, this is not. Yeah, now it's good. Okay. A bit more? What's this guy doing here? Okay, and the other one. Oh, and it doesn't matter which one's the negative, which one's the positive. But I have to put it on this side, so it gets 12 volts. Let's put the positive, like the brown one, to the positive. And yeah, the other way around. I haven't done this before. I mean, for a while, I haven't done this. Okay, so this is the 12-volt supply. And what do we do about the light? Let's clean it, or what can we do? I mean, this must be some shit alloy that can't be. I don't remember which one can't be soldered. But I think I have to clean it. And yeah, just put it on like an amateur. Oh well. Let's strip some wire. Come on. I can't do everything wrong today. Some things need to succeed. Come on. Yeah. So let's get some insulation that can fit on the legs, right? Which can be what? Oh, like a wire. It can be a wire. Do I have thick wire? I saw something here. This insulation. This perfect. Okay, let's chop them off. I don't need this switch. This is dirty and really old. So yeah, let's get some insulation from here. Oops. Yeah, and we need about that much. I mean, it doesn't really matter how much, because it will be covered with hot glue anyway, to be safe. That's one. Let's get some more. 2 pieces, okay. And does it fit? Yep, fits nicely. And then what we do, like an amateur, just put it on the wire. Oh, it doesn't fit all the way on the other insulation. That's too bad. Then I have to make... What do I do? Oh, I can use the other trick. Put it on backwards. So the wire comes in from the side. But I need to strip some more. Just a millimeter or two. But then I can just push it in. And on the side like this. And put it on. And that's one contact. And now the other one. Yeah. Now I don't have... I can't reach it. Yeah. That's thinking ahead. Let's take it off. Like that. So this is for that. Come on. What am I doing here? I can't see. Am I blind? Okay, now it's on. The strands are not staying straight. So yeah, that's kind of annoying. So like that. Bend this one too. Like that. And we're done. Come on. Like that. Yeah. And I'm going to have to hot glue the whole thing here. And let's try it out. Here's the power supply. This doesn't have the proper plug, but it's 12 volts coming here. So let's see. I plugged it in. The light is... yeah. And the moment of truth. Yep. It's turning on. So yeah. This will be my light for the computer. And I think I'll make another one for my desk. But yeah. I still have to... I think I have to find a better light for that. Or maybe I'll just use one of these LED strips. I have longer ones, but yeah. Just to illustrate what I could use. Like 2 meters of this put together. Yeah, something like that. This is also 12 volts. So yeah, that can also work with the power supply of the computer. But be very careful, don't short it out, because a friend burned down his computer with stupid wires coming out of it and shorting it out. So yeah, let that be a lesson to you. I didn't do it, I swear.